Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the Mojo Trading Show for the day. Let me show you what's going on. A little action with the kind of likeliness with what Mojo's got going on and what I just found out about Warren Buffett and a lot of his quotes. This is one of them. Right here, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Like, so we did good in the room today. Check it out. We have traded. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's Tuesday, August 30th. We have a UVXY right now that we're long at 62. Selling right here at 74. I love taking my eye off the ball just for a split second and making 15 cents on the stock. So let's sell some UV right here. And we have a JDST right here that we traded through 30 and sold some of that as well. So beyond the daily goal of what we made, we just filled at 30, sold 30, 19, and 24. UVXY adding at 62 and 68, sold at 74. Have 1,000 shares of that one left, have half of JDST left, and we're just doing really, really well. That's how we rock and roll. So JDST new high of the day, 30.33. Should I redo the poll again? Or should I keep it here? 13 people made 1 to 500. I'm sure you made more. 2 people made 500 to 1,000. Nice job.
Yes.
1 person made 1 to 2.
Yes.
1 person made 3 to 5.
Yeah, baby.
9 people in the demo made money.
Yeah.
1 person lost. Oh, man.
Sorry.
And everyone observing and watching just on the sidelines, I think, loved it today. And JDST new high of the day, 30.37. Sold some at 34. Next is 39. Flat on the reversal at 30.25 or less. On the ask, no rush. Not a physical stop, a mental stop. So I wouldn't sell it here because I could still sell it in the 20 range, in the 25 range. I'm not panicked. There's no panic sell going on here. I'm up. I own it at 30. UVXY owned down here, 1962 and 68 and 55 and 60. Bought it at 60. Added at 55. Added more at 60. Sold 68. Rebought it back 62. Sold at 69. Rebought it back 62. Added. Sold 74. It's exactly how we rock and roll. And right now it's at 70, 71. So we're looking pretty good on that. So we ring the register in the room. Did that all day long. So congratulations, Mojo traders. That made money.
Hey, good job.
If anybody needs it, I'm here for you with that. No problem, because you should be ringing that register every day. Okay, let me just tell you something else. We bought the stock this morning for the swing traders. I can't thank you enough, swing trade subscribers, for the emails that you have sent me. The first one we did was a new pick this morning that I sent out. If your guru newsletter service, Guru, did not send you this pick this morning, you're in the wrong service, folks. I sent this, if you were in the Mojo Swing Trade service at 8:47 a.m., it landed in your mailbox, time-stamped trade at 8:36. We're going to buy it under 3. It's already been to 4:15. End of the month, another winner. I actually bought it right here off 227. The low of the day is 325. And for my one customer, Mier, when you listen to this, she said, oh, you missed it. You didn't miss it. You shouldn't have waited for a new one. I told you to buy it. So 325 is the low of the day. I actually bought it down here at 227, sold it up into this rally and threw the break right here. Then I held half and sold it higher. So this was the buy under $3 at 289 time stamped. It already had traded, no problem, 5 million shares. 5 million. So if you got that at 847, at 912, you got this email saying, look, now it's time to take profit on half. Mojo sold half at 330 for a nice 15% move in 15 minutes. Love the Mojo. See the image. Don't let it go lower. It didn't go lower. Here's the image right now at 330. There's the buy, time stamped. There's your sell. Supplying buys and sell timestamps for the Swing Trade newsletter. Now we're going right here. Wriggle sold 3/4 of the position now at 359 for a nice 25% move in 45 minutes. Don't let it go below the last mark of 330, which we sold the first half. And right now it's at 350. The high is 360. Then after that, it went to 390. And Mojo went flat into the top of that. And that's how we do it. We traded price, which gave us great value. Okay? So that was the Wriggle trade. And if you were in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, I know Warren Buffett picked Apple, and great job for Warren. So for Apple to make a move like Wriggle did, 25%, it has to go from $100 to $125. I don't think it's doing that. So I'm picking stocks a little bit better on the small cap proprietary Mojo Swing side than some of the top people in the world. And we think alike. If you notice Mojo traders, I just want to show you a couple of things. You ready? Watch. Here's one of them. You ready? Check this out. Tell me, Mojo traders, and I want to thank you for taking the poll. Mojo. Check this out. You tell me if, no, that's William O'Neill, and it's with a C. You tell me if me and the Buffett, and I'm not a big disciple of Buffett or nothing like that. But you check this out. You ready? This is one of the things he says. He says, it's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. Now, dude, Mojo U. I never saw that ever. Ever. Isn't that exactly what I've been preaching? Do I preach that? Here goes UV to 80. Mojo U. So I preach that. That's the first one. Isn't that cool? That's the first one. Check this out. You ready? Here's the next one. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. They'll front run you. They won't look to help you. Here's another one. We simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy and tend to be greedy when others are fearful. Mojo buys when everyone else sells, and Mojo sells now into UV when everyone else buys. That's what I do. Champion. Okay? Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Mojo trades the price ladder. Long ago, Ben Graham taught me that price is what you pay. Value out of it is what you get. Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise or stocks when it's marked down at the right price. He's talking about the price. Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Now, I actually did not know anything about that, but this is what I wrote this morning on Wriggle. I wrote right here, not your guru sends out the newsletter, you're in the wrong service, because you are. Here's what I wrote. Look, this is a beast, a rare opportunity to day trade and make money. And I capitalized it. I saw it. I knew it. My bucket was out. It's the same thing that Warren is telling you, folks. Okay? Look at that. I put the bucket out. You sing it, Warren, baby. You ready for another? Warren says, look, Mike, I was in your MOJO University class and I love your 1+1 formula, but I'm going to call it my 2+2. How crazy is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He goes, never forget that 2+2 always equals 4. And when someone tells you old fashioned, that math is zip up your wallet, take a vacation, and come back in a few years to buy stocks at cheap prices. Add it all up, baby. 1 + 1 + 1 equals 4. Isn't that unbelievable that he got my system? Isn't that unbelievable? Alan, isn't that unbelievable? And Lewis, and oh my God. Lewis, I haven't even taught it to you yet, but yeah, he's crazy, isn't it? He's got my system. Look at this one, bro. You ready? I ain't done. You ready? Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. It's what I teach. Warren Buffett, after my class, said, when forced to choose, I will not trade even a night's sleep for the chance of extra profits. Whatever he's done, he did not pay for that. He will not trade a night's sleep for those extra profits. They're not his money. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? That those are his quotes? Isn't that unbelievable? Is he in MOJO University? He's MOJO. I know. He's in MOJO University. He must be. Where'd those quotes go? I didn't take those quotes and teach MOJO U from it, I promise. I didn't. It's just my journaling. I know his quotes are a testament to MOJO. It's amazing. UVXY now, 1968-69. I'm rebuying back. Under 70. Just buy it. I was on the bid. I got filled all the way down to 68. Nice. We already sold at 2004. Look, see the high 2007. You know where UV's going? To 2052 towards the close of the day today. Then tomorrow it's going to go to 2152. Absolutely. VWAP's 1978 today. It's easily closing above VWAP in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes from now, it'll be above 1978. Maybe even 3 minutes. I'm going to add another couple of hundred shares. All right. I'm getting up to 2,000. 2,000 shares. UV. executed under 1970. Already is the biggest win of the day. It'll be bigger. It'll be bigger. It will be bigger. The floodgates haven't opened yet. Wait till the floodgates opened. How do I know? Because I don't think it's going to go down to 1952. I don't think so.
No.
It has to trade 15 million more shares.
Well, yes.
That's correct.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
Do the math. Do the math. They get a lot of liquidity at 20 bucks. It's in their best interest to bring it there. This way, the volume can go from 12 million to 15 million rather quickly. Is that how the market works? If it did that, wouldn't the chart be like all the way up here? And you'd be like, wow, how'd you know down here it was going to do all that stuff? Ooh, man, you guys are good. You guys are good.
Just like Jack the Ripper, just like MOJO Head.
Just like Mojo. Did you hear him? Did you hear it?
MOJO Head, just like Billy Sunday
In a shotgun ragtown band.
just like New York City.
Just like Pro Trader Allen, making money every day like a champion pro trader.
Just like Jericho, pace the halls and climb the walls and get out when they blow.
Just like Pro Trader Mike, following Allen's lead, hitting the 3-month win streak, because I'm banking on the UV.
Did you say your name was Ramblin' Rose?
Filled on the bid, 1963 for UV.
Just like Jack and Jill.
Just like UVXY, TVIX, and JDST traded you through 30 like a beast. See, it's all about the price and the value you get out of it, folks. The price and the value. So Mojo Traders did good today with the poll. Thank you for making money in the Mojo room with me. Thank you. I appreciate that. Appreciate tone. So we're going to see what else we traded today. We didn't have to trade anything else today. That's it. Wriggle, UVXY, JDST. The best trade of them all? Let's take a poll. What was, in your opinion, that's IYO, the best trade of the day? Okay, this is the poll. Multiple choice share results. Was it UVXY? No, was it Wriggle? UVXY, BGAS, JDST, or the SPU? Best trade of the day. wriggle, UV, in your opinion? In my opinion, profit-wise, wriggle stood out because it was the rare opportunity. Profit-wise, it was wriggle. But folding-wise, when I passed at 1050 on SPU and bought the first one at 920 and anticipated the drop to 880 to resell back at 9, that was my best one I did. Because in order to get to the final table and win the tournament, which I did today, I had to lay down pocket queens right there. Carol, that was your fold. Carol, the other day, remember Carol? I had pocket aces. You had ace 7 or ace 5, you had ace 8. And the flop came ace 7 7. And I checked. And you bet. And he raised. And I called. And you called. The next card came, whatever. I checked like I had nothing. You bet big. Again, he folded. I pushed you all in from a check, check. And you're sitting there saying, huh, I wonder what he has. I have the nuts, the ace 7 7, and you had the ace 7. So you had a full house, 3 7s and a pair of aces. I had 3 aces and a pair of 7s. And I beat you and knocked you out. And if I would have bet big in the beginning, you wouldn't have bet big on me because you had only ace 7. I would have pushed you out. That's why you don't bet big. You let others bet big because they're greedy. And when UVXY is 1960, 65, you buy the crap out of it. And when it's 1990 and 20, you sell the crap out of it. The opposite in nature of what everyone does. Just like being a really good golfer. You got to do the opposite in nature of what your body and mind wants you to do. The same thing with being a professional bowler. Your body has to react physically and mentally against human nature to perform at a very high level. Same thing with trading. I have to buy when everyone else sells. I have to throw it out to the right when everyone else is selling and doing it, and do the opposite. In bowling, in order to get that pin to curl in, I got to throw it to the right so it spins back and curls in for the strike. On golf, if I want to hit a draw, I actually have to hit the ball to the right in order to make it go left. It's the opposite of human nature. But in order to be really good, you have to do the opposite of human nature, like in that poker hand. And this is what I teach people, how to excel in trading and other aspects by developing the mental edge that's better than everyone else. Just like Warren Buffett said. That's what I teach traders that are in my room. I don't teach them what a chart is, what a candlestick is, what a flag is, what a bull flag, or I teach none of that. Is that correct, Mojo? I'll do a poll. I'll do a poll. I'll do a poll. I'll do a poll so they could see it much better. Let me do a poll. Let me do a poll. Is that correct? What is a chart? Teach none of that in my class. So no other classes can copy me, because how can you dare to teach somebody what the hell is a chart? Yes, 100% accurate with no fluctuation. Or no, I'm not accurate. What's the answer? Oh, 100% accurate. 9 people in here? Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely 100% correct. 13, 15 people. What the hell is a chart? What the hell is a chart? All I know is 2007 is right at this line and we're right back down here. And as soon as we tick that, we head off to the races. So we're in this box right here and we triangled 4 times. What I just drew, this is UVXY today. VWAP 1971. Ugh, how do I know these stupid numbers? I hate that. How do I know these numbers? I don't like that. 1978 is VWAP. Thank gosh I'm off. Whew. Sheesh. Gosh. SPU was a great fold at 1090. Stock went to 871. That was my one of the day. That was my one of the day. So yeah, me and Warren Buffett, boys. It's pretty cool stuff. The Warren quotes. He did one other quote about trading that he would fold. He would pass on a trade. He has to you have to break his arm to get into a trade. It's got to be that good. I'm trying to find that quote. That's a really good quote. I'm trying to find it. That's a really good one. Here's a good one. Either hold a rock concert or a ballet, but don't hold a rock concert and advertise it as a ballet. Oh, that's what some of the other rooms do. You do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along and I've had a long dry spell. If you get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. That's another one of his quotes. Let's see what else he's got. If you buy things you don't need, you'll soon have to sell things you need. D guys is 50 freaking 2. Can you believe this is the pattern right here on UVXY? We're going to get a green day and then a monster. All right. I've just been waiting for it. Same thing with the D guys. Look, UV. We get a little green day and then a monster, just like this pattern here. D guys did it twice. Big monster. Unbelievable. From 588 to 688 in one day. If I would have said that to you this morning, you'd be like, dude, are you crazy? If I tell you UVXY could be at 2063 at the end of the day, you'd be like, no way. I'd be like, yeah, could be there in an hour. That's what happens to these stocks. If I told you 2 hours ago DGAS was going to be at 654, you'd be like, dude, you're out of your mind. But look at it, what it's done in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it's gone from 1030, 1035. It's at $6. And now it's 655. That's big money. Big money. So if you buy stocks you don't need, you'll soon have to sell them because you don't need them. What else does he say? Here's another one. Investors making purchases in an overheated market need to recognize that it may often take an extended period for the value of even an outstanding company to catch up with the price they paid. Yep. The happiest people don't necessarily have the best things. They simply appreciate the things that they have. That's a good one, he said. And that's pretty much the page of Buffett's quotes. And that's pretty much it. Without passion, you don't have energy. Without energy, you have nothing. Cool. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over. Very nice. Cool. All right. Let's see what we have. Down 46. Apple's down, comps down, S&P's down, Google's down, Diamond, Spiders, Facebook. UV still flagging around, 58, 59, right in this box. So it's just in this box. Wait till we've already traded it a lot of times. Here's your 4 triangles. On the upside, watch. So you have a triangle here, a triangle here, a triangle here, a triangle here, and now a triangle here, and that's how it goes. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triangles. Amazing, huh? Does anyone teach you those? See, we don't have to look at a chart. We just have to trade within the triangles. See? Went down, came up. Went down, came up. Went down, came up. Went down, up, down, up, down, and now this one will come up, or maybe even fill in the top of this triangle, and it's a complete perfect box. And what they're doing is they're moving the stock between 1950 and 2050. Because they know where it's going to go at the end of the day. If I told you at 4 o'clock it's going to be 20, the high is going to be a lot higher. This is where it may be. So they get the most of their liquidity right here at 20 bucks. They can exchange a lot of shares to get the volume up to the daily, which it needs to be. Wriggle's 84 now. Been to 90 on the Wriggle on 39 million. Rare opportunity on the Wriggle. Rare today. That's why I gave it to my swing trade newsletter. If your swing trade newsletter guru did not tell you to buy Wriggle right here like I did, it's up $1 from 288. It's at 388. You're missing the boat. You're in the wrong service. Join Mojo's. Click that link. Follow me on Twitter. Go to my Get Started page. And that's how much money you would have made today. You would have made 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, or 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So if you join my room, it's only $99 a month. The swing trade newsletter and the day trade room is $149 a month, all done through your PayPal account. As a value-added bonus, I will include my level 2 educational video.
Yes.
This video is worth $99.
Yes.
So basically, you're getting your first month for free. Yeah, buddy. So if you're a student, it's $49. If you're a military, I give you a discount, $49 a month. And if you're a first responder, $49 a month. You click here, you get your code after verifying, send me an email, and I'll give you your discount link. I'm proud to introduce MOJO Day Trading School as well. I got to update this. The school is actually $500, and you get all this value right here. You get, I'm glad I did this little Q&A. You get the level 2 video, yes, but you also get the how to get started in day trading. The day trade room for 30 days, value 100. I give you the day trading challenge, 100. Trader's Toolbox includes the day trade logs, the Excel sheets, the trackings, the journalings, the university video library, valued 200 easy, and private coaching that I help you one-on-one with the trading challenge, and you're trading in the room for 500. It's an online course you take yourself that consists of 6 lessons and a final exam. After you pass that and prove yourself with the trading and have been in the room for 30 days, you could take the university course, become a pro trader. You're off to the races, big guy. Off to the races.
Well, yes.
Nice. Well, you're off to the races too. So that's nice. And you get the free bonus level 2 video. No refunds. As soon as you come into my room and you see my rules and how I run the room and get all my information, there's no refunds. But you don't need any because you're making it. So what's a chart? Exactly, what's a chart? Thank you for helping me with the poll. Let's see if we're at 90 now on Wriggle. 80. Cool. Let's see if we're at 65 on UV. 62. Cool. We get our green bars back up, triangling like a champion. And that's it. So great job with the show. Thank you with the Wriggle today. Thank you with UV today. Thank you with JDST today. I missed it off 77. I really was going to do it right there, and I was really going to do it again through 30, but I just didn't want to because I folded. I was listening to Warren Buffett tell me, it ain't yours, pass. So I said, I'm good with that, Warren. I'll catch you on the next one. He said, good job, Mike. I said, cool, see ya.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
Nice. So with that said, Mojo's rambling on. We will catch you tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable.
I'm a